The first thing we do is find out if they're okay. Offer empathy, sympathy. We walk them through the process by getting the claim number, find out who the agent is, and if they don't know how to call or how to access them, we do that for them as well. If they need any additional help like rental or anything like that, we also walk them through the process. But the important thing is to make sure that they are okay.
We are GM and ICAR certified. Our technicians know exactly what to look for, the exact way to repair, how to find the procedures to repair your vehicle properly. And ultimately, what we want more than anything is for our customers to leave here safe.
We take our time, our estimators and the team leaders here go through the vehicles in detail to make sure we don't miss anything before the repair starts and once the repair is finished.
Choosing a collision center is important. You want to make sure that they are certified, that they are going to use the proper parts and the processes are complete.
We have specialty paint through PPG, we have specialty tools, welders, we have a state-of-the-art frame machine equipment that has the ability to pull and straighten the frames on performance vehicles such as the C8 Corvette.
Both our body technicians and our paint technicians work their hardest to turn the car back to how it was, if not better than when it left from the factory.
This is our Moonwalk paint system through PPG Paint, and what it does is it automatically mixes every paint formula to perfection each time.
There's never a moment when a customer is not aware of what is going on with their vehicle, because we use the telephone system or the computer system to let them know what is going on at all times.
You can even get a free estimate using the pictures on your phone.
We're doing everything exactly the way the manufacturer wants it to be done. So the next time it's in a collision, it's going to react the way the manufacturer designed.
Our number one concern is about safety first and quality second. We're not looking to be the biggest or the most successful collision center. We want to know that our customers, after we've repaired their vehicle, they leave here with the same exact safety features and the car will crash the same way as it did before the accident originally happened.
Everything is gonna be all right, and that's what we strive for with all our customers. Reassuring them that, listen, we got you, we'll take care of you, and you don't have to worry about anything.